Mrinal More and today we are going to learn a poem. Now, before we start with our poem, I just want to ask you a question. Here is the question. Which is your favorite poem? Yes, come on, tell me which is your favorite poem? You may have learned many poems till now, but from all that, there will be a poem which will be your favorite, which you will like the most. Do you know which is my favorite poem? Chubby Chicks. Yes, it is my favorite poem. Now tell me which is your favorite poem? Okay, so today also we are going to learn a new poem. Let's see our today's poem. The name is Matt and Pat Play. What is the name of our today's poem? Matt and Pat Play. Start with a poem. Just take a look on this picture. Observe the picture carefully and tell me what can you see in the picture? Yes, very good. We can see a boy, a girl, and kite. Something more? Yes, a pet dog. Very good. Now, this picture is related to a poem. So, let's read a poem. Matt and Pat play. Matt brings his kite. Pat brings her pet. They are playing in the sun. Matt and Pat run. Pat kicks a ball. It is fun. Pat sings a long song. Matt is singing along. Now, Matt and Pat play. This is a poem. Here, Matt and Pat are the names of the boy and the girl. Matt is the name of the boy. So Matt brings his kite as you saw in the picture. Pat brings her pet. Pat is the name of the girl and she brings her pet. You saw now in the picture there was a pet dog also. So pet means a pet dog. They are playing in the sun. Matt and Pat run. So where they are playing? They are playing in the sun. At daytime it is a sunny day. In the sun they are playing. They are running. Pat kicks a ball. It is fun. So what does Pat do? She kicks a ball and they are having so much fun running, kicking ball, playing. Pat sings a long song. So what Pat is also singing a song, a very long song she is singing. Matt is singing along and Matt is singing along. He is also singing with her. Along means he is also singing with her. She is singing so he is also singing with her. Okay? So now let's read the poem once again. Matt and Pat play. Matt brings his kite. Pat brings her pet. They are playing in the sun. Matt and Pat run. Pat kicks a ball. It is fun. Pat sings a long song. Matt is singing along. Okay? So now let's see the rhyming words of a poem. Here are the rhyming words from a poem. Sun, run, fun, bun and gun. Now do you know what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which have same ending sound. As you can see, sun, run, fun, bun and gun. All these words have a same ending sound. Un sound. Un sound is same. So the words which have same ending sound are said to be rhyming words. So sun, run, fun. These three words are from the poem. These three words are from the poem, and bun and gun I have just written because they are rhyming with it. They are not from the poem but they are rhyming it with it. So I have written there bun and gun also. And at the other side, the words are song, long, along and wrong. What are the words? Song, long, along and wrong. Here the ONG sound is same, ong sound. So, song, long, along. These three words are from a poem, and wrong I have written there because it is rhyming. You can find more such words which rhymes. Okay? Now, let's see the sight word. The first word here is kite. Kite. Repeat after me. Kite. The second word is pet. Pet. What is the second word? Pet. The third word is sun. Sun. Next is kicks. Kicks. Fifth word is long. Long. And the last word is along. Along. Okay? So now you know the words? Yes, very good. Next is make sentence. Now here three words are given and you have to make sentences from these three words. The first word here is fun. What is the first word? Fun. And the sentence I have written is, we had a lot of fun in the park. What is the sentence I have written? We had a lot of fun in the park. Now you have to make your own sentence and write from the word fun. The second word is run, and the sentence I have written is, Ria runs to catch her kite. Ria runs to catch her kite. What sentence you will write from the word run? Yes, make your own sentence and write. And the third word is pet. What is the third word? Pet. So you have to make a sentence from this word also and write. I hope everyone will make sentence from all three words. Okay. Now here is an activity for you. Complete the sentence by choosing the correct option. You can see the sentences are written incomplete and below it two options are given in the bracket. So you have to choose the correct one and complete the sentence. The first is Matt and Pat are playing or is playing are the two options. Which is the correct one? Choose and write. The second is the children dash cake are eating or is eating. What do you think? Which is the correct option? Comes the third sentence. The third sentence is the children dash a song are singing or is singing. Choose the correct option and complete the sentence. And the fourth sentence is Pat kicks a ball or an ball. Think what is the correct option? Okay, now let's see the answers for these sentences. Answers of these sentences. Matt and Pat are playing. What is the correct option? Are playing. Why are is used and not is? Because Matt and Pat means two persons are there. So when there are more than one person or thing, we use are. If only one was there, then we might use is. But here two people are there, so we use are. Okay? Second sentence is the children are eating cake. Are eating is the correct option because the children. So the children means there are many children. So for many we use are. Third sentence is also same. The children are singing a song. The children, so many children are singing. So we use are singing. And the fourth sentence is Pat kicks a ball. Here, a ball is the correct option because you have learned vowels now. We use an only for vowels A, E, I, O, U. And B letter is a consonant. So, we use a ball. What will we write? A ball. So, the answer is Pat kicks a ball. Understood? Okay, very good everyone. Once again and revise it. Matt and Pat play. Matt brings his kite. Pat brings her pet. They are playing in the sun. Matt and Pat run. Pat kicks a ball. It is fun. Pat sings a long song. Matt is singing along. Okay. Now I will read the poem once again, and this time you all will repeat with me. Okay. So let's start. Matt and Pat play. Matt brings his kite. Pat brings her pet. They are playing in the sun. Matt and Pat run. Pat kicks a ball. It is fun. Pat sings a long song. Matt is singing along. Very good, students. So now you know the poem very well. The question and answers from a poem. The first question is, what does Matt bring to play? Think, what does Matt bring to play? And a second question is, where are they playing? Now, let's check the answers. The first question was, what does Matt bring to play? And the answer is, Matt brings his kite to play. What is the answer? Matt brings his kite to play. Second question was, where are they playing? And the answer is, they are playing in the sun. We saw in the poem, they are playing in the sun. Now, here is the activity for you. Match the picture. 3 words are given and at the other side, some pictures. Here you can see 3 pictures. So you have to match the picture with the correct word or match the word with the correct picture. So the first word is kite. What is the first word? Kite. So where you will match it? Yes, very good. To the third picture. So here are the answers. We have matched it to the third picture. Now second word is pet. What is the second word? Pet. So where you will match it? To the first picture. Very good. And the third word is ball. So here we are matching it to the second picture. Next is find and circle the following words in the box. So here are 4 words. You have to find the words and circle from the puzzle. In the puzzle you have to circle them. So the first word is sing. What is the first word? Sing. Second word is track. What is the second word? Track. Third word is rank. And the fourth word is luck. Now, let's find out where is the first word. What is the first word? Sing. Where is the first word? Check the answers. See, here it is, below, in the last line, S-I-N-G, sing. Saw it? Now, second word is track. Tell me where you can see the word track. Yes, here in the middle, T-R-A-C-K, track. And the third word is rank. Yes, it is there in the first line. And the fourth word is luck. So here is the luck word. L-U-C-K, luck. You found all the 4 words? Okay. Here is a small activity for you. Draw a picture of the following. Sun, ball and kite. You have to draw the pictures of these 3 and also color it in your books. Now, what's your homework for today? First, learn the poem Matt and Pat Play, which we learned today. You have to learn the poem by heart. Second is, write down your favorite poem in your book. Do you remember at the starting of a lesson, we discussed about our favorite poem? So you have to write your favorite poem in the book and then below it, Write why is it your favorite poem. Means there will be something that you like in that poem, the picture, or the tune of the poem or something else. So you have to write the reason that why that poem is your favorite poem. Okay? I hope everyone will complete your homework. Thank you. I hope everyone liked our poem Matt and Pat Play.